Well, I think one thing I learned at Thrive is that mobility is super important, right? So I think since then I've just been super hyper focused, almost in a good way, on my mobility and like my neck strength. And I continue to do like the Denneroll, which is this little foam tool that you use to restore your lumbar or your upper cervical curve. And so that's been really helpful. I still do neck mobility. I roll it out. I just, basic maintenance stuff, not like I'm injured anymore, but stuff just to make sure. Because, I mean, since I've been at Thrive, I've taken hits on the ice, I've had falls, but none of them have done anything because I have this extra, like, bubble and safeguard of the Atlas adjustments, and then also these tools that I've learned, and my neck's so much stronger now, my upper back's so much stronger now to where I can take hits, and so I think that's really important. So the maintenance is just something that's included in my daily routine anyways. I mean, I think body work in general is super paramount for any athlete, and I think maintenance also paramount, but with head and neck stuff, I think it's really important too, because once you've had one concussion, obviously the likelihood of another is increased, but on top of that, I think your neck is kind of the buffer that you need it to stay strong and malleable so that you don't have further events. And I think people overlook that. I see a lot of skaters that have had like one concussion and then they start having repeated concussions, but you can tell they don't take care of their neck. It's kind of like a Wu-Tang Clan, you gotta protect your neck, right? But it's true, I mean, you really do. And so I do like a lot of chin tucks, I do these adjustments and the Denneroll, and I think all of that has made it so I can still take hits. Because I think if I had never got here, I had one hit, I think that'd be it, right? So I think it's really important for athletes to just maintain their bodies in general, do body work, go to chiropractic, get massage, stuff like that.